Welcome back to Raching Cars, your ultimate destination for high-performance machines and modified beasts from across the globe. Today, we're diving into the stunning world of the modern modified 2025 Toyota Innova from the Philippines, a vehicle that has completely redefined what a family MPV can look and feel like when passion meets performance. Starting with the exterior, this 2025 Innova flaunts a head-turning wide body kit that includes an aggressive front bumper, custom LED DRLs, blacked-out grille, and sporty side skirts. The body has been wrapped in a matte metallic gray finish, enhanced with carbon fiber accents on the mirrors, hood, and rear spoiler. Sitting low on adjustable air suspension, this Innova rides on 20-inch deep-dish alloy wheels paired with low-profile tires, giving it an aggressive stance and excellent road grip. Under the hood, the factory engine has been tuned with a Stage 2 remap, boosting the stock 2.8L diesel engine to churn out around 220 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. The upgraded turbocharger and custom exhaust system not only deliver more power but also produce a deep, throaty sound that echoes performance. A cold air intake and intercooler upgrade ensure efficient airflow and cooling, making this MPV perform like a sports sedan on highways. Inside the cabin, it's all about luxury and tech. The interior has been reupholstered with premium Nappa leather, featuring red stitching and bucket-style seats in the front for a sportier feel. Ambient lighting runs along the doors and dashboard, synced with the upgraded infotainment system. A 12.3-inch touchscreen supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 360-degree camera system. A custom-built sound system with subwoofers and amplifiers in the trunk adds that concert-level audio experience. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. This modified Innova comes equipped with lane assist, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and advanced braking systems, making it as smart as it is stylish. From daily drives to car meets, this 2025 modified Toyota Innova in the Philippines is a perfect example of how practicality and performance can go hand in hand. That wraps up today's feature. If you enjoyed this detailed look, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Raching Cars for more insane builds and automotive stories. See you in the next ride.